Well, I'm going to do a video tonight on the minelab Excalibur 2. And it's going to be in video called It Can't Happen, but it did. People were telling me that these buttons are no good and they'll break off. Well, guess what happened? I was a victim. But I've got a fix. And these newer ones have got a pretty solid backing to them. Pull one out here. These newer ones have a metal core, and I'm thinking they're going to stand up a little bit better. They were a little bit bigger, but the same color. And they have a set screw on the side, flathead. So what we'll do is we'll put that on. We're going to tighten that down and see how it goes. Oh, that was right on there. An auto. Give it a shot. All right, I got her on there. Seems to work pretty good. A little oversized, but hey, same color, better quality knob. Get these on eBay, pretty cheap, $4. A lot of 5. Probably won't change the others out till they break. Just wait. Eventually they'll break off. But it definitely works, and it's a good fix. Save a little bit of money. Thanks for watching.